How to fix critical process died blue error in Windows. 1. Run an SFC scan. 2. Run system restore. 3. Uninstall the latest updates. 4. Download the latest driver updates using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Clean boot your computer then, rid of the troublemaker. 6. Run a full system antivirus scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Check your disk for errors. 7. Run DISM. 7.1 Run DISM using command prompt. 7.2 Run DISM using a bootable media under command prompt in Windows Safe Mode.